if I had £1 for every time somebody asked for a small automatic, you know, about a 1.2, got to be an automatic, about 5 years old, low mileage, full service history, I'd probably have about £27 in my back pocket right now. Anyway, if you're one of those 27 people, I might just have a car for you. It's a belter. Check this one out. So we've got a 2020 Vauxhall Crossland X Elite, the top spec one. It's a 1.2, it's automatic, and in a beautiful metallic Aegean Blue. Absolutely cracking car. This is 17-inch diamond cut alloy wheels. There's not a mark on the wheels, no curb rash, no scabbing. They are like brand new. LED headlights, and DRL. Parking sensors front and rear. It's got window tint from the B-pillar back. Nice deep boot on it. No spare wheel on these, you get the gunk in the back, unfortunately. Step inside the cabin, cloth trim. It just looks and smells and feels like brand new. There's not a mark on it. It really is in great condition. Electric windows all round, automatic headlights. It's got the Vauxhall iLink stereo with nav, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, DAB, Bluetooth connectivity, all the shebang on it. Dual climate air conditioning, USB points everywhere, TPMS, lane assist, because we all love lane assist, don't we? And the automatic gearbox, cruise control, and just 35,000 miles on the clock. Car's got a full service history. It was last MOT'd and serviced in August of this year, and serviced less than 1,000 miles ago. We will put another 12 months MOT on it if that's an issue. We can sort that. The car comes with 3 months extendable warranty. You can extend it to 12 or 24 months if you like. Whoever buys this car is going to get an absolute treat, because it's like a brand new car. It really is. Low mileage, it looks and smells like brand new. Beautiful. If you do want to arrange a test drive, we won't take this car. I was going to take it on a kind of drive with you today, but the weather's horrific. So we'll leave that for today because it's been balloted and I'm going to keep it indoors. But if you would like to arrange a test drive, or you want to discuss part exchange, nationwide delivery, or finance on this one, just drop us a message in Facebook or Instagram, search Small Affordable Cars. The car is located at our Alvechurch site, which is just 2 minutes from junction 2 of the M42. What a nice car. Small engine, automatic, low mileage. It ticks so many boxes. Get on it. Thanks a lot for watching. If you stayed this far, thank you very much. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more videos of cars coming in here at Small Affordable Cars. Take it easy. We'll catch you on the next one. Ta-da.